Guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. So before we go out and do the tires and test it out on the Z, I'm gonna do a little video. Hopefully that you guys can help out animals, because a lot of people are leaving their animals out in the cold and they just get rid of them and throw them out and they just neglect them. I mean, I feel a lot for animals. I brought a couple cats in. These guys, for instance, I brought them all out from on the street into my house. I mean, it was cold outside, and I didn't like little weeble kittens just sitting out there freezing. I didn't see their mother anywhere, so I just took them in. So make sure you guys always help out animals, and remember to donate to them as well, because it helps a lot. So I'd appreciate that a lot. So I'll just roll a clip to help these animals. Thank you guys. These animals, all in need of help. This mother was stranded out on the road, and she has kittens as well. No one wanted to help her, so I brought her in. Just 10 cents a day for donating to animals and animal charity. You can help all the animals in need, even dogs, any animal that you want. You can donate to them. Help these poor animals. What's up, guys? It is October 31st, 2019. Halloween. As you can see, I still have my Halloween decoration up. And here, it's snowing. Oh, there's the 350Z in the new wrap. Under snow. Can you say we wish you a Merry Christmas? What? I mean, what? What? What the heck? I mean, it's supposed to be Halloween. Trick-or-treaters are supposed to be coming out trick-or-treating. It's supposed to be scary music going on, not holiday music and celebrating. But I dig this, I guess. I got the new winter tires on after all, so I want to go test them out. Happy Halloween, guys. This is how much snow we got. What's up, guys? So, Z's got tires. It's very foggy in here for some odd reason. Even on the outside. Don't know why. I'm gonna test these tires. I'm not gonna go pretty far. Probably won't go far. I don't know. It's just so damn foggy in this car. What the fuck? Fog is on, the vents around. There's a lot of snow out here too, like 6 inches. Wow. We got more. Someone looks like they were already doing this. Someone did this. God. Some snow tires. Wow, they got good grip. What up, Holmes? This guy's way better grip than I thought for the rear. It is so hard to see out my windows. Why? UPS truck made it up. God, I wish I had a GoPro on the back of my car. Oh, battery's already dead. How late? Gosh, how good will it get up this hill? surprisingly well. This is awesome. Oh, I forgot to get in that door. Drifting without a wheel alignment. That's great. Okay, gonna end it here. Wow, guys, I am surprised it made it through all that snow. That's like 7 inches of snow back there. That's crazy. I was like, holy crap. The Z never did that. Whatever these tires are, they're nice. I mean, I forgot the name of the tires because I only looked at them like twice so far. But alrighty. Maybe on a less busier day like at night I can go out there and just hammer it down. What do you guys think? If you guys like the video, please hit that subscribe button and like for more. Comment. I'll see you guys down the road later.